Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how to post high quality photos on Instagram without losing quality. Now you might notice when you're viewing other people's posts, their quality or their pictures quality is very high. And compared to you, your quality is a bit low. Now even if you took the highest quality with your camera and you still get Instagram upload that is very bad, that is not because of your camera or not because of your internet, but it's because of a setting available in Instagram. And you can find this by clicking your profile over here on the bottom right. Over here, you can see that I already viewed my settings, but to be able to show to you guys how to do this, click on the hamburger icon on the top right or the three lines. You will be able to see your settings and activity. Simply scroll down over here, look under your app and media. You will be able to see data usage and media quality. Simply select that, and as you can see here, you have to enable upload at highest quality to ensure that your uploads are very high quality in Instagram. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.